Hi everyone, Kamal here and I welcome you all to the third demo video of Windows 10 for Phones preview. While in the first two videos we talked about UI changes, notification handling and the system settings and how they look like. In this video we'll talk about new keyboard and then we will talk about some native apps or universal apps which have been much updated or which are much better. Let us go to the keyboard first. This is the new keyboard, and what you could see as a change is this chalk. This can be used to scroll through the letters as you type. So it's a kind of ready mouse or something. So if you okay, so I think I was not showing it correctly. So now if you can see it, so if I have to go from here to here, you just put your finger on the dot. Sorry, it goes wrong. Okay. So you put on this point, and when this arrow appears, you can just scroll left or right by moving your finger on this arrow. This looks like a good feature. So this is the major change that I have been able to find out in the keyboard. Another good feature is, I think, the text to speech. So can you type who is Kamal? Okay, so it says who is coming. Okay, say Windows Insiders Rock. Good. Thanks to Microsoft. So as you can see, the text to speech really works well. Not only it types, it also puts punctuation marks, and that is really a good feature. I think Joe Belfiore from Microsoft has already demoed it, and we have found that it really works very fast. It types as you speak, and it also puts punctuation marks, so it's cool. So these are like the keyboard improvement that you can see in the first preview build. Okay. Now coming to some native apps, one of the most important change I think in native app is in Photos. So if you go to Photos app, what you will notice is that the camera roll photos or screenshots and the OneDrive images both now appear here. So on the same one page you can see both the images. Now you can also select multiple images and then even delete or share from here. So okay, now if we go to other features, so we have heard that this Photos universal app can generate albums, and we have seen that happening on Windows 10 desktop, but I think it's a initial, or I think it's a early build which we have this Windows 10 for phones. So album feature is not there, it's still coming. Even the folders view feature is not there. If we go to settings, you can see that even the auto enhance feature is not there. So though the feature of removing the duplicates is there, which is a good thing. You can also specify the sources from your text pictures. If you can put it off on or off, whether you want to show photos and video from OneDrive. So this is all about the universal photos feature or photos app. So we can see that's an early build, but still it looks quite good. I think the feature that all the OneDrive images and all the camera roll images appear on the same page is good. It was like something which was being asked by the Windows Phone users. So that is one. Now coming to some other apps which have come with Windows 10 for phones. So let's talk about alarms. So universal alarm app, so it's the universal app, so it's on Windows 10 desktop and here both. So you can see something, I mean, the changes in the UI. So the toggle button H looks different. You can do world clock, you can do timer, you can do stopwatch. So we will cover more events the next video. Stay tuned.